building on this ability to use symbols repeatedly across multiple pages, I can also make different versions of symbols if I'm working, if I'm still experimenting with the design. So if I come to my symbols palette, this is the symbol that I created. I can also select that here and duplicate that symbol, edit that second one. It's going to give me, now I've got this, it's just given it the name header 2, so I can isolate that. So if I wanted to come in here and maybe I'm drawing a different background color for this HQ, so it can, maybe it is this color, and send it back, eyedrop. So this might be my header 2 symbol. I've got it in the symbols palette, and what I can do if I want to swap that on the page is just come up here to, I select the first symbol and I come up to replace, and now I can choose that second symbol in the library and it swaps it just in that one instance. And of course I could do that for the others if I like that. So working with symbols, being able to replace symbols is a really powerful way to be able to update your layouts in Illustrator as you're designing your pages.